everyone, welcome back. Today I want to try something new with you guys. It's the new year and personally I've been terrible at keeping New Year's resolutions and I'm always forgetting to put myself first in my life, and for 2020 I'm going to make a great big change and I'm going to start healing myself from the inside out and making much better changes for a healthy lifestyle. And if that's something that you want to do as well, I would really love for you to join me. So one of the main things I want to start with this week is eating better. And I'd love for you guys to do this with me. I'm gonna do a tuna salad recipe. I'm gonna give this to my husband as well. I'm gonna force him to eat it because he needs me to. Otherwise, he will eat chips and junk food all day long, every day for the rest of his life. So we're gonna make Sean be part of this as well. Now, one of the vitamins that I feel like I need is vitamin B6. That's something that I'm truly lacking. And so the recipes that I have chosen are specifically rich in those ingredients. Okay, so let's get started with our tuna salad recipe. It's easy and it's super quick. All right, here we go. Tuna is one of the foods that are listed as vitamin B6 enriched foods. And so some of the benefits that you can receive is fighting infections, assisting in your concentration, reducing your risk of Alzheimer's and dementia, and it also protects from heart disease. Did you know that this vitamin is a key component in 60 types of proteins in our body? Oh no! So without these proteins, we wouldn't be able to metabolize fat, repair and create new cells, maintain our nervous system, and keep our blood sugar levels in check. But how do you know if you're deficient in vitamin B6? Well, you might have migraines quite frequently, or you might feel depressed. Maybe you have chronic pain. I'm not saying that this would eliminate all of those things, but it's definitely beneficial. This easy tuna salad is made with just a handful of ingredients, and it keeps well in the refrigerator for a few days. So after beating off all of the cats to try to make this, I think I was successful. And I literally eyeballed everything. Add more of whatever your favorite is. I just put a little bit of that relish in because I'm not a big pickle person, but I feel like it needs to have maybe a dash or a little bit more. Like I said, you saw how much I put in. I didn't even put that much, but guess what? I think it's gonna taste good. Here we go. Let's do a taste test. It's great. Okay? At first I thought maybe I put too much salt in there, but it's perfect. Yay! Let me put this in a sandwich, feed it to my hubby, and go watch The Housewives. Bye guys.